guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Boy, does it feel good to say those words. I feel like I haven't filmed in forever, but I'm back. I had my baby boy. You can go watch my birth story, but today is all about Temu because for the past few months I ordered so many things. I slowly showed you everything in today's video. When I was editing this, boy, does this look like a DH Gate haul. Not really, but kind of, and you'll see what I mean. I found a lot of things that are kind of designer inspired or give you that look for less. Not necessarily like a replica like DH Gate, but you know, you still get that fun fashion look. So I'm so excited to get into it. I'll have everything linked down below. I have so many Temu videos on my channel, so that's a great place to go if you want to watch more and more Temu recommendations. And let me know what you guys want to see on my channel next. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more, and let's get into it. Okay, I know we're nearing the end of winter, but how cool are these? They were less than $5. This one is the rib material, and then this one is softer. I'm pretty sure the whole point is that it says Chanel and not Chanel, but from afar you really can't tell. These were so affordable and they're so cute for a little like ski trip. I also picked up some new undies for postpartum. These are a size large. I find that Temu sizing runs a little bit small when it comes to underwear, so I recommend sizing up, especially if you want to be comfortable. These are seamless, super soft. They wash really well. I have no complaints about Temu undies. I've been wearing them for like 6 months. After my last Temu haul, I got some very good bags that definitely give off designer vibes for less, so I wanted to try out a few more. This one off the bat, I will say the hardware is like orange. It's not even like pretending to be something it's not, but I thought this style was cool, not something I would wear a ton, so I'm glad I didn't have to spend a ton of money on it. And the suede still feels pretty nice. The leather, as you can see, is a little cheap, but that's exactly what it was. It was pretty inexpensive. As you all know, if you've been watching my videos, I'm definitely in my bow era. I'm like obsessed with bows. I saw these cutie little flats. They look so comfy. They're like this knit material almost. They are super cushiony inside. I wish they fit me right now, but my feet are so swollen, but I'm gonna keep them and I will let you guys know, because this little bow detail is so darn cute. How cute are these sunglass holders? This one would be nice to just throw in my purse, but I love that this one has a little keychain and I can just put it on my keys. And it feels pretty nice quality. I love this like checker print with the faux leather. I think this is adorable, and I think this one was like $3. This one was like $2. I got the cutest dog toys. This one looks just like a Clase Azul tequila bottle. I'm obsessed. And this one looks just like a Stanley Cup. Look at that. These are so cute. Disney inspired socks for toddlers. I got the 6-pack for like $6. They feel really good quality. I love these colors for a toddler boy. We have a little board for this. Pins with the little clips, so pictures, memos, cards, whatever. This was like $3, and I wish I could show you all this like in action, but it has our full address, so I can't. But I got this customizable address stamp. It was so inexpensive, and y'all, I'm so impressed. I got here so quick too. Great gift, especially for someone who just bought a house. My mom saw a bag that I reviewed, and she asked me to find her something like this off of Temu. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. Obviously the quality is not incredible by any means, but it was like $15 max, and it's exactly what she was looking for. This one, on the other hand, was more inexpensive, but I'm just not a fan of the quality. I'm also not a fan of the fact that it says fashion bag smacked right in the middle, so this one is going back. I got a pink Polaroid album from Temu, and I love it, but it's like very girly and like juvenile, so I thought this one was perfect for our pictures, and I'll save the other one for Olivia's. I love how it looks like a real photo book, and it's way bigger, and it even has a memo, and it looks nicer overall. These toddler shoes are screaming like Adidas to me. They were $13. The colors are so adorable for a little girl. I'm just so excited to see her wear these. And then this I'm gonna return. It's supposed to be for trash bags, but I just don't think we're gonna use it. This little top for Olivia is so cute with the little collar and the bows. I'm obsessed. I got all the Free People vibes from this bag. I love the color, and I love the fact that the strap is cord. I think that was like unique about it. I love this like peachy salmon color, and it's pretty spacious. Olivia already has an Easter basket from previous years, but my son didn't, so I thought I would pick up this one until I find something cuter. I like that it was like seersucker and The inside is actually gingham, but it's not very sturdy. I will say that it like has no structure to it. I picked up some things to fill them, and for Olivia, of course. So first I got this little magnetic fruit board. She's really into fruits right now, and it comes with like a little knife so she can cut them. She's gonna love this. And it has all the names of the fruits. You basically just pop these out. She has the alphabet version of this. I did a kids favorites video, and I'll link that down below. Some of you know my nursery theme for baby boy is horses. So when I saw this sweet little top with embroidered horses, I thought this was perfect. I feel like this will probably fit him when he's like 24 months or so. So I'm gonna keep the smaller version. I grabbed this sweater because it was on sale for $6, but I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to tell, but the flag part right here is separating, so it looks odd. And obviously this is not like the best material, so even though it was $6, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. These are so cute. I'm just so sad that they are way too big for her. I don't want to just keep them in the wrong size, so I think I'm going to return and get the correct size. She's usually a 7.5, and these are an 8, and they are huge. They're so cute, like so Chanel inspired. I love them. As you all know, I'm very into bows, very into this like coquette style. I think this is adorable. It was only $6. I got a set off Amazon of this one and a smaller one, literally identical, for $29. I found the bigger one on TEMU for only $9, so I'm gonna keep this one for sure. If you watch my TikToks, you know I'm super into small dresses and clothing for my kids. So when I saw this for $8, I thought it was the cutest thing, but I will say the material is a little bit different than I was expecting. Not bad for the price at all. It does come in very pretty pastel Easter type colors, but it's definitely not like what I was expecting, I'll say that, but it's not bad for a piece under $10. I honestly don't understand Temu kids sizes, especially when it comes to shoe wear. I never get it right. These are a size 8, which are her size right now. They're huge on her, so I'm thinking she is either a 7 or a 7.5 on Temu sizes, but these look like Nikes. They're really nice. The platform feels pretty good, and the inside is super cushiony. Olivia's also super into stickers and cars and vehicles and things like that, so I got her this for her Easter basket. It's basically reusable stickers, and it comes with this little sticker book, and I thought this would be a good quiet activity for when baby brother is here, so I'm gonna give it to her then, hence why I'm whispering. I'm really into bows, and I went on Amazon, tried to find a few things, and then I realized maybe I should just try Temu. Found the exact same ones. I don't know if the quality is gonna be the same, but it's promising that it says stainless steel on the packaging, so I'll let you guys know. But these are pretty cute. I want to say they were like maybe $1. I love getting Stunning Clever look-alike patches. These are perfect for Valentine's Day, and these little binoculars are part of her Valentine's Day basket. I love getting Olivia little crafting things and stuff like this, so I got her some little stamps and these little ink things. They're all different colors, and I thought they'd be perfect even for like finger painting and stuff. Those were super inexpensive. And I thought these vests were really cool. They have adult and kid sizes, and they're just like to play a little ball game and aim. So inexpensive. I think this was $5 and this was $3. Okay, I would love to know what you guys think. I just don't really see myself wearing this bag now that I see it in person. It just looks like something my daughter would wear. She's almost 3 years old, so I think it's a miss for me no matter the price point. Like at least this one looks more grown up. This just looks cheap, like I got it from Claire's. And this one is for sure giving Coach. I love how structured it is. It's actually pretty nice quality wise. I don't love the fact that the sides and the C don't have the same color hardware. I think that just makes it look even cheaper. Yeah, so that was my concern, that the chain was also not gonna match this. It was gonna match this. So not my favorite, probably gonna return as well. TBD if I'm gonna keep this, but it's metal and it's nicer than I was expecting. I thought it would be good for the front door to put the mail here and then hang our keys. I think it was $5, so not too bad, but it smells so weird. I feel like kid stuff can be so hit or miss. This, I think I'm gonna return. They're just like smaller, cheaper looking than I was expecting. These are non-slip stickers for the back. They're kind of expensive for what they are, and they're kind of small. but I'm gonna test them out and see if they're actually non-slip. Just not what I was expecting, way cheaper in quality and look. So I think I'm better off just spending $20 more and getting the Amazon version. This, as per usual, I don't read dimensions. This is for my son's room. It's like horsey themed, and I thought this was gonna be a tad bigger. I was expecting it to be tiny because it was $1.88, but this is just for a dollhouse maybe. So I'm gonna return this. This is for the Scrub Daddy. You just suction it onto your sink and then your Scrub Daddy can dry and hang out there. It's a little creepy, but I thought my husband would like it. This is one of those fruit cutters that have been going viral on TikTok. Basically, you literally cut the fruit like this. But I've learned the hard way after donating a few too many TikTok or Temu things that anything that is meant for cutting doesn't last very long. It doesn't stay sharp very long, so I'm gonna return. So as you can see, not everything was a keep. Some things were really a miss and show their price point, but some things, and from personal experience that I've tried from Temu, really like withstand the test of time. I wear them almost every day and I use them a ton. If you haven't watched my Temu favorites video, I highly recommend you do so if you're like a little skeptical. Hopefully you stick around. If you haven't already, subscribe. I have more videos coming up very soon. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.